The Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission is in the process of constructing a portion of the Fayette Expressway from PA Route 51 in Jefferson Hills Borough to PA Route 837 in the city of Duquesne. We would like to show you an aerial progress report of the first 3 sections under construction, starting from section 53A1 in Jefferson Hills Borough, where it connects with the existing PA Turnpike Toll 43. Then travel north to section 53A2 in West Mifflin Borough and section 53B1A in Dravosburg. Buckle your seatbelts. You can find more project information at paturnpike.com/Monfayette and sign up for weekly construction updates. Thank you for riding along the Fayette Expressway corridor.